So this is the Jimmy D's Red Blend. And this is a blend primarily of Syrah, 50%. Then it's got the balance of it is Petit Verdot and Cabernet Franc. The varietals that are making up this wine are younger vineyards. And so they're producing a much more fruit-forward type of wine. And what we thought was it would be interesting to bottle something like this because it's a little bit of a contrast compared to the other wines that we make. So it's a much more youthful, easy access, friendly wine.
You know, a number of people make a red wine, but again, I think this distinguishes itself based on the quality and the high level of winemaking that's behind it. It's probably our best value wine.
It's just a very fruit-forward wine that's got a lot of layers, and it's got a lot of its own sweetness. All of our wines that we make have no residual sugar. They're completely dry, and any of the sweetness that you might taste in the wine is from winemaking. It's from the way the wine was created. To me, it's not a wine to meditate over. It's just a wine to enjoy. It's a delicious wine.
Yeah.